What's up, everybody? How y'all doing today? Well, just got off the lake. I tried to go out and do you guys a favor. Well, you local guys. I was gonna try to scope some bridges out and see if I couldn't get you guys some fish locations, and I couldn't do it. I had some trouble this morning trying to leave the house. Ended up leaving later than I wanted to. Took the kayak, and I just went to Ray Roberts because that's my home lake. It's closest to my house. I scoped the bridges, dinks on the road bridge, nothing on the railroad bridge. I really didn't have a lot of time to do anything else, so I just went out to the timber. I sniped some big fish, and then I went and did some scouting and wanted to see kind of what was going on. I worked the creek channel, I worked a bunch of the coves, I worked a bunch of stuff that I like to fish, and it just had a lot of small fish on it, guys, just a ton of small fish. If you're gonna go fishing this weekend, I wouldn't suggest the Buck Creek arm of Ray Roberts. It's difficult right now. You could launch there and you can move around, find some other stuff, but that arm doesn't have a lot of big fish in it. It has a lot of fish that are under 10. Lots of fish under 10. I did manage to keep 10 fish over 12 inches today, and I threw back anything I had to measure or even thought I had to measure. I didn't want anything small. I really didn't need fish at all, so it wasn't in my best interest to keep a lot of fish that were near 10 inches. So I don't really know how many I caught. I'm probably not gonna show, the entire day on the video, but I will throw this video together for you guys so you can see how my day went. Hope you guys have a great Labor Day weekend. This was September 2nd, Thursday, on Lake Ray Roberts, really close to the railroad bridge. So if you wanna go over there and try, this is what it's like. Bring it down right there. I think there's a fish or two down there. I got one. Yeah, I need a little bit more drag. A little more drag. That's good. That's a good one. He's fighting. Good little fighter. Oh, big crappie. Nice. Yep. Couldn't tell until he got close and really wanted to fight for it. Big dog. That's all right. We can do big dogs. So, guys, we're in the cove. West and south of the railroad bridge, and got some dogs on this timber. Don't have too many dogs out here, but we got some dogs on the timber. Let's see what we can catch today, then we'll kind of go from there, make a decision after the fact. Yeah, he's gonna flop around, make a mess. Had this tied up a little. All right, that's a big one. That's a big girl. That's not bad for my first stringer fish right there. Not bad. Put it on a stringer clip. Stinky pants stringer. Clip it on. I thought that's what I was looking at, and obviously it was. Got it on a fishing with Fredo. I don't know what you'd call that. Smoky? He's already got an angry Vicky, so maybe that's an angry Smoky. If you can't see what you're doing and you're messing around with trees like this, you're gonna mess your stuff up. There we go, got him. Nice fish, nice fish. Oh, big second fish. Big second fish. Yes, sir. We don't mind those, do we? Still on this little low timber. Southwest of the bridge. 1 32nd ounce jig. Little bitty hook. I don't even know what size that is. Little one, though. Number 4, maybe? Or, I don't know. It's not a 6, whatever smaller than a 6. On those sickle hooks. That's kind of where it is. Alright, I see a few fish. These fish are suspended at about 12 feet on timber. Not bad. Not bad. But there's a few more. Can't see the timber in the... Oh, there it is. Alright, that helps. That helps a little. I can see myself going down. It'd be better. There it is. I saw that. Got her. Oh, and she's wrapped around a tree. She's wrapped around a tree. And I got 4-pound line and a tiny, tiny hook. That's a big one. That's a big one. Get her in. Oh, yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Dog. 3 dogs in a row. I ain't caught no little ones except for that little bitty dink when we very first got started. All big dogs and all on that little bitty jig. Little bitty jig. There we go, guys. Look at that one. That's a dog. That's a dog. He's mad. So I had some bad trees in a row. The bridge is no good. Then all of a sudden, I find this one little tree right here. It has a couple nice fish on it. Got one. Yep, he's tangled in the bushes, but there you go. That feels like a big one, guys. That feels like a big girl. Pretty good size one. Yes, sir. Another dog. Woo, dogs in a row. Bunch of dogs in a row. Oh, I love it. Not taking long to shoot this video. It's been like less than 10 minutes. I got 4 dogs on the line. There we go. That'll get me into some better fish. Right there. Ooh, first pass. See if we can get us one. First pass. Got her. Got her, got her. Let's get it around here. Oh, biggin. Nice. There we go. Oh, yeah, I buried that hook. It went coming out. I buried it. Right in her schnoz. Right in the old schnoz. Got one. Little guy. Well, not too bad. I say little guy, he's a keeper. Keepers aren't that little. Alright, looks like I've exhausted all my bigger fish off this pile. Let's go see what else we can find. There we go. That feels like a good one. He's tangled. Nope, he's a good one. Oh, finally. Out of this cove, I didn't know if I was going to get one. And I did. Woo! Yes, sir. I ain't complaining. Better. See? Due diligence, guys. Due diligence. I thought I was hung and I wasn't. He was just good size. Thought I was hung and I wasn't. Got him. Mediocre. Mediocre. I'm sure that whole pile down there is just mediocre for the most part. But gotta keep trying. See, I can come down this outside back corner, kind of low like that, and swing into this one. Right here. Swing into that girl right there. Come on. Giving you a chance. Free food. Like welfare. Oh, fish. Nice. Oh, that feels good. Oh yeah, that was a good one. I think that one is right there. That's a good solid 11.5 probably. I think I'm gonna put that one on the stringer. That one's just too good, too close. Yeah, there we go. Get those fish away from me. That's a heavy stringer. Heavy old stringer. An old string dog. That's what I call them. String dogs. Not opposed to any crappie. Hey, that's a decent one right there. Not bad. Not bad. That guy's borderline 11 maybe. I'm not keeping one that size. He fought hard. I thought he was a little bit bigger than that based on that fight. But there's a lot down there. We'll just keep messing with them until we figure out what we got. Got him. Got one out. Oh, that's a little guy. Didn't want a little guy. There's a lot of little ones in here today, guys. I mean, there's a lot. Everywhere I look on Ray Roberts, there's this size fish. I mean, everywhere you look. Which is great, because next year, this size fish is going to be a 12. But a little bit better fish right there. A little bit better fish. Oh no. Too much fun. Having too dadgum much fun. See if we can get a little bit bigger one. There's a couple bigger ones down there. Got him. Oof. Almost gave him too much slack. There you go. There you go. Almost gave him too much slack. Pretty fish. Y'all missed the last one. I had the camera turned off. I didn't think I was going to film anymore. Turned it off. Ended up with one. Got him. All right. Right out of the rocks, guys. Right. I bet it's a cat. I don't want to lose him because I've got a little hook. Oh, I don't want to do that. Let it loose. On a little hook. I bet that's a cat. He's pulling too hard to be a crappie. Yeah, it's a cat. He come right up out of them rocks after it. Right? Oh, broke off. 4-pound test, guys. As soon as I lift him out of the water, it broke off. That was my only fishing with Fredo jig too. That was in black. Y'all saw it all day long. Yeah. There's a reason people don't even know about this. That's just crazy. I'm gonna go with one of these black and chartreuse. We're gonna keep doing that. That was awesome. That was a good fight. That was a real good fight. So, there's a lot of shad right here, but there's a rock pile right here. Oh, got one. Fish on. Look at that, crappie. 30 foot from the boat ramp. He's little, but I still got him on a jig right at the ramp. I knew there would be crappie in these rocks. I knew it. Oh, he come up and thumped it. I wasn't ready. Scared me. Got him. Crappie number 2, baby. Right here. Look where I'm at. Wham. Ha ha. Crappie number 2. Everybody searched the whole lake over. Here they are. Right here on the rocks. Ain't a piece of structure around. Nothing. Just rocks and crappie. Got another one. Look at that. Wham! Another black. There's 3. 3 right off the ramp. Got another one. That's a whole bunch of black crappie. Right at the boat ramp, baby. Oh, y'all are terrible. Y'all got me. Oh, he's off. Ugh. Hate it when I lose one.